AIRO stock analysis and AIRO stock prediction. What I'll be doing in this brief and short 1-minute video is showing you my exact play, right? With AIRO Group Holdings, it's just a decent long, like that's exactly what I'm looking to do. Unless I see some sort of like freaking double break or anything, there's obviously no way that I'm gonna buy. It's taken me 5 years to come to this point, 42,000 videos made, so at least I've seen what's printing me money and what's not. I do have also a lot of proof with 2 results with AIRO in the Discord. No way that you can go wrong with that. So the only thing that I care is if there's a double break here. And if there's not, then bro, I'm not gonna buy it. You know, there's 2 ways that this thing can go. We can either break beneath the lows or above the highs, and whatever happens first is based. That's how I'm gonna act based upon that. So if you want a sauce to learn the sauce that's taking me 5 years to learn, you can do it in hours. Click the first link in the description. 5 to 10K per month. Risk-free. 1,200 people have already tried it. All 5 stars reviews. See you in the next one.